Hello people, so today we will talk about Instagram and I would like to show you the way how you can customize your Instagram bio and remove the link from your Instagram bio. So you just need to go up on your Instagram application, and the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this down side here, the above sections there. Go visit your profile, and in this profile you'll see the bio will be something or some descriptions below your name that you have inside here. So if you already have the link, that will be shown up here. So if you want to remove this link, you just need to do this instead. You just need to go with this edit profile, and you just need to take a look on these links here. Go click it, and you just need to tap into the link that you just add and click this remove link and confirm that you want to remove it, and those links will be slightly disappeared from your bio. You can check it by yourself. So those links just disappear. If you want to personalize your bio, adding some description, you just need to do the same. Go click edit, and then you just need to type something that you want to add into your bio in this bio sections here. And whenever you're done adding the bio, you just need to go click done, and those description will be displayed right below the name that you have here. So that's the way, guys, how to remove the link as well as personalizing your bio for your Instagram. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.